Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about functions in Python. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you want to support this channel using Patreon, you can head on over to patreon.com//Common Code, and you'll be able to support this channel, and you will get also access to mini courses as well as exclusive content. So let's get started, and let me show you how, first of all, how you can create functions in Python. So I have here a script called python.py, which is a Python file, and in order to create a function in Python, it's super simple compared to other programming languages. It's super simple in Python. All you need to do is that you need to type def and then the name of the function. So def here is just the keyword that you need to tell Python, hey Python, I need to create a function, therefore you need to use def and then the name of the function. For example, let's create a function that returns returns hello. For example, I'm gonna name it greeting, and then this function, in order to create the body of the function, you need to add here colon, and then below this you can type the logic of that function. What do you want this function to do? And of course you need to leave here 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can type whatever you want. For example, let's say that this function is just gonna print out a text. Let's say that's gonna print out hi there, and that's it. Now we have a function. We have a very simple function in Python. But a function is useless unless you call it, because a function is just gonna be there, it's just gonna live there, and it's not gonna kind of move or go somewhere, so to speak, unless you call it. So unless you call it and tell this function, hey function, come out, then it's gonna come out. Otherwise, it's just gonna live there alone, and it's useless. It's just useless. So how can we call this function? Kind of call it and tell this function, hey function, come out and execute or show us what you have. Well, all you need to do is that you just need to call the name of the function, just the name of the function here, greeting, with here parentheses, and it's gonna execute this function. Let me save and let me run my script. So I'm gonna here build, I'm gonna click on tools and then build system and then Python 3, and then I'm gonna build my script or run my script, and as you can see it's gonna return hi there. So it worked, and now we know how to create a function, which is just by using the def and then the name of the function and then the logic, and finally you need to call it in order to execute what's inside that function. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this tutorial, leave your question or questions in the comment section below, and also don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.